welcome back to my channel. My name is Vittori Vida and you are watching Vittori Vida TV. Sabi ko magtatagalog ako kasi parang feeling ko mas comfortable naman talaga ako magtagalog. Maybe I'm more geared to a Tagalog market than the English speaking market. Malay mo, right?
Sorry, are you saying you're performing in Tagalog today?
No, it's gonna be English tonight.
Oh,
What I was saying was that in the vlog, because I feel like I always speak English on the vlogs.
Oh, of course.
And so I feel like maybe I should try Tagalog. Maybe I have an audience with the Tagalog world than the English speaking world.
Maybe I should mind my own business. Carry on.
So, ayun na nga, papunta kami ng Saskatoon. Mag-MC ako ng debut. And, buti na lang maayos yung road. Wala masyadong ice. Kasi, syempre, nakakatakot mag-travel pag slidey, ganyan. So, perfect yung weather for the travel today. Malapit na rin kami. It's 3:51. Sabi dun sa last ko nakita, we are 32 minutes away from Saskatoon. So, hopefully, we'll be there mga at least 4:30 because yung event ko will start at 5:30. So, it will probably give me about an hour to get ready and get...
We'll be there in about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. So, darating naman daw pala
7
kami
minutes
ng
past
15 minutes. So,
Just after.
mabilis lang yun. Yeah, so medyo mabilis lang siya. Maraming salamat, Boo!
Salamat po!
Tuwang-tuwa ako dun sa Davidson, guys. Kasi, ang daming Pilipino na nagwo-work sa A&W. So, nung nalaman nila na taga Dumaguete ako, they were like, alam mo yun, ang ligalig nila, oh, yung sige nito, taga siya, Bisaya din yun, taga Iligan, ganyan. So, samahan nyo ako with this little adventure in Saskatoon. It's just going to be an overnight trip. And we will be staying at Alt Hotel. So, sabi nito, ano ba yan? Alt Hotel na naman. Sa Alt Hotel kasi walang pool. Yun yung doon sa Alt Hotel. Yun yung ayaw ko sa Alt Hotel. Walang pool, walang free breakfast. Pero, ang bet ko sa kanya is maganda yung view from your room. So, you have a good view of the Saskatoon River from your room. Social din siya at malapit siya sa everything. So, ang daming shops around the area. So, kaya gusto ko siya. May ilang beses na rin kami nakapag-stay dito sa hotel na to. Kaya, medyo tried and tested na rin siya. Gusto sana namin Hotel Bessborough. Pero, yung nakita, medyo luma na kasi yung hotel na yun. Pero maganda yung exterior niya. Pero luma na siya. Tapos sabi ko, ayoko ewan ko, parang hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Tapos sabi ng mga friends ko, marami din daw ghosts doon. So, kaya hindi din nila ina-advise na mag-Hotel Bessborough. So, kaya mag-Alt Hotel kami ngayon. Anyway, see you in Saskatoon! So we are going to be on room 1111. 4 ones.
11-11.
1111.
Thank 11 for 11.
Going down.
I think it should be this way here for 1111. This is 1112. We were in this one too?
Remember? Oh yeah. And it was like housekeeping a bit.
I think we have stayed here.
I know. Oh yeah. You're pretty funny. Even the height and everything of the view is almost exactly the same.
Yeah,
If not this one, then maybe a couple floors up.
the one beside it.
Oh.
So, mamaya na tayo mag-room tour kasi mag-get ready na ako. Kinabahan ako dun kay ate na sabi niya mga 5 to 10 minutes pa daw bago ma-ready yung room. So, buti na lang, as soon as we park, ready naman daw agad yung room. So, perfect. Ayan. Si Boo, medyo pagod siya. So, he is just laying down in bed.
Looking at the river.
Looking at the river, yes. Ayan, so I'm done with the foundation. Parang okay naman siya. Pantay naman. Just kasi. The lady earlier at the check-in was Filipina.
Yes.
She said we don't have to pay for parking.
Nice.
She made it.
She comped you because you're Filipino?
She made it complimentary, so
Because you're Filipino?
maybe. Outfit check.
Oh, of course.
Okay. More than a woman. More than a woman to me. More than a woman. More than a woman. Yay! Another successful event. So, I'm super thankful to the De La Cruz family for having me. Siyempre, nakaka-happy yung mga feedback ng mga guests na sobrang nag-enjoy daw sila. Ang saya ko daw mag-MC. So, nakakataba ng puso. Siyempre, happy talaga that I get to do this for, like, as my side gig. So, ito yung hallway ng hotel. And then, bet ko talaga yung pa-houndstooth niya. It's so nice kasi makasosyal. Yan. Pero hindi yung room ko sa corner. I'm here sa 11:11. Feeling ko tulog na si Boo. But, nagising siya kasi nakauwi na ako. Try natin yung makeup remover nila kung nakakatanggal ba talaga ng makeup. Hindi masyado nakakatanggal ng makeup. Sakto lang, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Umihilik na kasi si Boo kaya medyo hindi na tayo makakapag-chikahan dahil tulog na yung isa. Onchi, malapit na pala ito maubos. Cleansing balm from COSRX. I still use wipes kahit na nagka-cleansing balm ako. Mas malinis siya sa face if I do it like that. Syokot, no? Syokot yung face, parang natutunaw. So, maliligo na ako. Pero syempre hindi ko na kayo isasama. Dahil bakit anong gagawin nyo dun? Diba? So, tapos na ako maligo. Ngayon naman, skincare tayo. Favorite part ko to. Pero, hindi ko masyadong ginagawa every night. Parang, may mga nights talaga na pagkatapos ko maligo, hindi ko na kayang mag-skincare. Pero nagsa-sunscreen ako. Yun talaga yung hindi ko kinakalimutan. We'll start with the serum. So, ito yung aking serum, Caudalie Premier Crew. Sabi ko, pag nag-40 ako, ito na talaga yung aking skincare and never na ako nag-change. So, may kamahalan siya, pero kebs lang. Feeling ko para sa mga quarantine face, pwede na siya. Siyempre, sabi ng mga nakakakilala sa akin, I still look 25. Wow, 25? Ang bata naman. Tapos, for my moisturizer, it's this, Caudalie din, yung La Creme Riche or the Rich Cream. So, pang mayaman talaga siya. Si Bish pala, ito yung gift niya sa akin nung nag-40 ako. So, after nun, hindi na rin ako bumili ng iba. Parang nagustuhan ko na rin siya. Hindi na ako nag-change ng product. Gusto ko yung amoy niya, hindi strong. Tutulog na rin ako dahil mukhang magto-12 midnight na. So, gising pa tayo ng maaga bukas. So, magko-coffee muna tayo kasi wala lang, para fun. So, meron silang 3 kinds of coffee that they have here. They have the Furtado, the caffeinated, and Arondio. Parang feeling ko gusto ko ng creamy and malty. Intensity 4 muna tayo. So, I think I'm gonna have this. Nandito pala sa taas. Ayan. Mabuti na lang may creamer kasi di talaga tayo pang black coffee. Ayan. Tapos, of course, 2 sweeteners. So, here's the coffee. Lagay na natin yung creamer. So, by the way, this is the room. Sorry, di tayo nakapag-room tour kagabi. Kasi tulog na si Boo. Pero ngayon naliligo siya. So, I'll show you the room. Ayan. So, nahulog yung pillow. Tapos, you have this little spot here. Maliit lang siya. It reminded us so much of the spaces in Europe na super maliliit. But, this is what we really paid for. It's the view. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng view. Ang ganda ng sunshine. Ang ganda ng river. You can see, let's zoom it in. You can see people doing their jogs. Ganyan. So, maganda tong area na to. Sorry, magulo pa dyan. Nandyan yung, you have your phone. You have the TV. Actually, hindi naman masyadong nanonood ng TV. Actually, si Boo, nanonood siya ng TV sometimes, but I'm not really the TV person pag nasa travel. And then they have this little alcove here wherein you'll find, meron silang plancha, flat iron, space to put your stuff. And meron silang mga lagayan ng mga luggages, ng mga bags. Tapos, ayun. So, okay naman, kitong chair na to. Pero sabi ni Boo, mupo daw siya dyan. Medyo hindi daw ganun ka-comfortable. Tapos, hindi rin daw comfortable tong chair na to. So, sabi niya, wala daw comfortable na chair sa room na to. So, okay, OOTD, bathroom, nothing. OCD, what is it? Nothing in the bathroom. Bella Pella. I got bacon
I thought I asked, but I
pancakes,
guess I
some
didn't.
sausages, and some eggs. Boo got eggs Benedict. Nakatulog na ako. So, medyo na-recharge ako. Ewan ko, napagod ako sa event ko kagabi, I guess. And then, masarap naman yung tulog ko last night. Ayun, so dahil nabusog din ako, after the brunch, nakatulog na din ako. We're very close to Regina.
This is your Dilinos pants.
This is my favorite view of the drive from Saskatoon to Regina. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly.
Simple lang naman siya, pero tingnan mo yan. Nandyan. Cool lang siya.